The quantity price magic is a powerful phenomenon which influences revenue and profitability a great deal. It is often overlooked, unfortunately. Let us begin with a statement. Who does not strive for increase in revenue and profit? What is the relationship between revenue and profit? Would you agree with this statement? So, what is the reason for revenue increases not automatically resulting in similar profit increases? Welcome to the quantity price magic. What is this all about, you ask? Before I explain that, let us look at some basics. A combination of quantity and price produces revenue. What is quantity represented by? What is rate represented by? What is then the difference between revenue and profit movement? This is because of an element missing from your typical profit and loss statement. Something which could move in a similar way. What do I mean by that? Because the best way is to show this through a unique animation. Let us look at scenario 1 when room occupancy over 2 months remains the same. Variable costs remain the same as occupancy has not changed over the 2 months. However, average daily rate increases in month 2 compared to month 1. Room revenue goes up in month 2. However, the most important effect is what happens to that room revenue increase in month 2 over month 1. That increase entirely hits the bottom line. This is a situation where the room revenue increase did not bring with it any direct variable expenses. Let us now look at another scenario. In this scenario too, room average rate over the 2 months remains the same. However, occupancy goes up in month 2 compared to month 1. Variable costs go up in month 2 as occupancy has gone up over the 2 months. Room revenue goes up accordingly in month 2. Let us now see the effect of this increase in room revenue. In this scenario too, since occupancy increased in month 2, it brought with it variable expenses. So room revenue increase in month 2 over month 1 did not entirely hit the bottom line. It flowed to the bottom line after deducting the direct variable expenses. So the effect on profit was diluted by variable expenses.